This is 2023 Toyota GR Corolla. Toyota has already unleashed a GR-tuned version of its Yaris subcompact car in global markets, from which the GR Corolla borrows its turbocharged 1.6-liter 3-cylinder engine. The little triple is amped up here to 300 high-strung horsepower and comes only with a 6-speed manual transmission and all-wheel drive. GR Corolla has rear bumper cutouts just above the triple exit exhaust to allow air to escape and not be caught in the chunky, chiseled derriere. Not just a stylish addition to the sporty bodywork, the front fender vents on the GR Corolla actually serve a purpose. Designed so air can escape the front wheel arch and slip smoothly down the side of Toyota's hot hatch. The fender vents also add a nice level of visual aggression to the GR Corolla and stand it apart from the stock standard small hatchback. With bigger, beefy brakes installed, the GR Corolla is also fitted with unique thin-spoke alloy wheels that aid dissipating hot air from the sizable stoppers, and thus cooling them down and letting them operate at optimal levels for longer.